Remove the hubcap, use a pry bar or a pry tool. Use a 21mm socket, take the lug nuts off and remove the wheel. Remove this lower bolt on the caliper, attaching it to the bracket. This bolt, because of the brake hose, we're gonna leave that one in. Use a 14mm socket. Take that out. Just rotate the caliper up and slide it off. Leave that pin attached to the caliper. Take the brake caliper, find a position where the hose is not being stretched. Lay the caliper down or use a brake caliper hanger. Take the brake pads off, just use a screwdriver, or sometimes they slide right off. These are rusted in there. Take these two caliper bracket bolts out, use a 17mm socket. And slide the bracket off. Take this little plug off the rotor, use a pick or a screwdriver. Save that, you're gonna use that on the other rotor. And take the rotor off, just use a hammer if it's stuck on there. Hit in these locations, just be careful, don't hit the studs. And slide it off. Clean up some of the hub surface, get some of that rust off. Either use a wire brush or a sanding disc. Just take some brake parts cleaner, clean that up. You can put a thin coat of anti-seize on the hub surface. That's good. Take the rotor, just install it backwards first. Take a little brake parts cleaner. Clean the back side of the rotor. Wipe it down with a rag. And flip the rotor over. That looks good. Now clean this side. And wipe it down. If you have to adjust the parking brake, the adjuster is down here. Install the plug. That's another way you can adjust the parking brake. In that area, you can take that off and use a screwdriver. Now take the pad hardware off. Just use a pick or a screwdriver. Take a wire brush, remove some of this rust. Use a little brake clean. And wipe it down. Take a little brake grease. Take the brake hardware and line it up. And then do the same for the other side. Now take the brake caliper guide pin or the caliper bolt, clean that up. Use a little brake parts cleaner. If it's really bad, you can use a wire brush on it. Clean some of that up. Clean some of the rust off. And do the same, the one that's attached to the caliper. And because this was fairly rusty, I'm going to clean these caliper guide holes out. And you can use a rag, clean that out. Do the same on this side. And take some brake caliper grease and grease the slide up, or the pin up. Just take a thin coat of brake caliper grease, just put it on the slides. Do the same on the other side. And take the bracket, slide it over the rotor. Take those bolts, get those started. And torque those bolts to 62 foot-pounds. Now take the brake pads. The one with the warning indicator is going to go on the inside, and the indicator is going to be towards the bottom. Slide that in position, and then the other one on the outboard side. And take that brake caliper and use a caliper compressor tool. Compress the caliper. Just do it nice and slow. Use some brake caliper lube on that pin right there. Now take the brake caliper and slide that pin into the bracket. Make sure that seals. And slide it down. Take the other pin and just slide it in position. And torque this bolt to 32 foot-pounds. And if you loosened up this top one, torque that one as well. And put the wheel back on. And the lug nuts. Now torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. And line the hubcap up with the valve stem. Reinstall the hubcap. Make sure you pump the brake pedal nice and slow and double check your brake fluid level.